Hi kids. A, B, C, A, Z. Let's trace alphabet. A. A is for apple. A is for apple. B. B is for ball. B is for ball. C. C is for cat. C is for cat. D. D is for dog. D is for dog. E. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. F. F is for fish. F is for fish. G. G is for goat. G is for goat. H. H is for hat. H is for hat. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream. J is for jug. J is for jug. K. K is for kite. K is for kite. L. L is for lion. L is for lion. M. M is for monkey. M is for monkey. N. N is for nest. N is for nest. O. O is for orange. O is for orange. P. P is for parrot. P is for parrot. Q. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. R. R is for rabbit. R is for rabbit. S. S is for sun. S is for sun. T. T is for tiger. T is for tiger. U. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. V. V is for van. V is for van. W. W is for whale. W is for whale. X. X is for xylophone. X is for xylophone. Y. Y is for yak. Y is for yak. Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.